Namaskar. Myself Dr. Rachna Iswallal Patel, Assistant Professor in Gujarati Lang subject from Navjivan Arts and Commerce College, Dahod. I am the participant of fourth online refresher course in language organized from 18 December 2023 to 30 December 2023 by UGC Malavya Mission Teacher Training Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad. It had been great opportunity for me. During this fourth online refresher course in language, I have learned so many new things like how to create e-content, qualitative research, how to create Google Form, how to use educational website. I developed my skills like create e-content, use in ICT, online presentation, video recording, and so many useful things. I am very thankful to UGC Malavya Mission Teacher Training Center of Gujarat University, Ahmedabad for providing me this opportunity and sharpening my skill through e-learning. I am extremely impressed with the course content. I have learned many new things during the course. The course was very effective, informative, and well organized. It was a great and insightful experience. I am very satisfied about the facility provided by MMTTC. All staff members were very cooperative. Here I propose my sincere thanks to Dr. Jagdishbhai Joshi, Director UGC MMTTC, Gujarat University, Ahmedabad, and its entire team member and staff. Thank you, all of you.